How you doing? My name is Tom with Kizen Enterprise. Today I bought some new toys. I bought the 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound saw. It's an M18, and we're going to put the plastic version on this miter saw. And I guess I bought this just to blow off the dust. So let's see how this goes. Didn't know it came with a rapid charger. That's pretty cool. So I want that here. That one's done. Looks like I got some work to do. Got stuff to put together. So there's everything in this tray. Let me pull this one out. There's the saw. Let's see how, that's not too bad weight wise. How heavy it is. These little pack moisture things, huh? That's what we got. Locking pin there. I gotta cut this strap right here. So you know this one was never used. What is it? Should I cut it or should I do the... Oh, I cut it. No, I didn't. Gonna have to undo it. Let's cut it. Okay. So there we go. It's a slider like unlocked there. Interesting. Stuff I've got to learn how to make it slide. I guess it's right there. There's the lock. See? It's down low. That's pretty cool. All right, now come up here and we look at this here. Now if I had a blade on here, it's going to be hitting in there. But I'm still going to want to slide this over and connect it here, because I can always take the fence and push it over. That gives me all this wear area here, which would be perfect. So really if I go right here with it, if I match it right with my fence, right there, right here, match this right here with the fence, move the hole over to here and here, and then I've got all that area to work on. Just got to make sure you don't put the blade, visualize the blade on it. I think I'd visualize the blade to make sure I don't cut these right here. And that's how I would mount these holes. So let me get the blade on here and then we'll check out more from there. All right, my suggestion for how to set a fixed fence on a slider. So if you come over here, you're gonna see right here is the Kizen fence is right here. So I want to bring that up and match it with the fence that's on there. And then I want to see where the blade is going to hit, and I don't want it to hit here. So I've got the factory fence all the way forward, and I want to take the Kizen fence and back it off in this zone here. So if it, you got tips to wear all the way up to right around in here. Whoops, let me do it again. Right. See, I don't want to be here. I want to be where I've got room left. So let's just say right there. So that's where I want to clamp it. So this one's all the way forward. I'm going to bring a clamp in. I'm going to clamp this right here, right there. Double check, make sure nothing right. I'm good right here. If you want to come over here, you'll see. There's no battery in this, so I'm not going to cut myself. See, so when it comes in, it won't hit it. So there's where I'm going to clamp that there. Then I'm going to take the drill this drill, and I'm going to take it through the factory hole. Good old plastic, come on. There's one. If you want, I could just put the screw in this one just to hold it for right now. I'll have to come back and countersink the other side. This way I know that if I slide it, I know I'm still in that hole. Okay, now to do the other hole. Let me bring this clamp over here too. It's right there. And I can slide this one over. You know, I can just take this one off now. No, I'm gonna leave it right there. So it's down here, because then it stays on the table. Okay, take this one off. Take these off. Okay, now I got to get this screw out. Nice tight fit. Okay. Okay, so that one's going to go here. Perfect. Over here. Right there. And that one there. Now these should come over here. Ready? Have to use my new blower. All right. One's there. Tighten this one up here. See, nice fit. See how that went? I just got to tighten those up. Those are lock nuts. So once they're in there, so then you see how it'll come over. I've got this zone now. I can set these here and cut, and I can use that tip all the way to where they're worn out right in here, and it's not going to hit. See? So that's how you install a fixed fence, fixed auxiliary fence on a factory sliding fence. Then now we're going to have to do the other side. Now we're going to do the left side. I'm going to slim that all the way over. I'm going to fold this one up. And then I'm going to see where this is going to hit with the blade. I don't want it to hit at all when it's over. So it's right there. So my zone is right in here again. So let me get my clamp. I'll go ahead and clamp this one on. That's my zone area. See, I'm not going to hit it. Not going to hit. It's all the way over. So, same thing again. You got to come back over here. Go here, left-handed. Again, I'll put a nut in to keep it from moving. Make sure it's okay. I'm going to slide this down right there. Everything's down flat, good, tight. Plastic. Take this one back off. These back off. I got to go back and put this one on. With the head underneath. All right, let's see what we got. That one. And this one. I don't know what to slide in and tighten it from the other side. Look at what it looks like. Okay. All right, we got them on. That's the first zero clearance. Look at that. Zero. They can send those right up against the saw blade for all the straight cuts around. Great for shop setups. Look at that. Beautiful. So, Kizen Miter Fence looks pretty sharp on this 10-inch sliding miter saw. Pretty sweet. Thanks for watching.